Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This channel is will explain you about civil engineering knowledge. Whoever coming new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and share our and share our videos so that it will reach as much as possible. Let's begin with our topic. Today's we will be going to discuss about construction material cost, which is very important factor in any of the project or any of the work we will be planning to start. If we know about this cost, this cost also place to place, even state wise, differs as because of this raw material availability, distance, transportations, location of river belongs those. So we have to more careful about to start up any project. Don't compare with the project with metro cities and village sites or other capitals, other states. There may be a free sand, government policy. Some other state it may be a cost, transportation differs. So don't ever think that our cost also will be the same like my friend cost, house construction cost. So let me begin. Cement, which is the main part of the construction work. These cement, many cement brands are available. It differs again state to state, state tax, district wise, and again location wise it differs. Many brands are there. If you want to choose any brands, many even non-brand also available. You go for a branded one, and you go for choose for a PPC or any cementitious product like PSC slag cements. You use which will be little lesser than our normal OPC cement for any house construction. Yes, of course, for multi-speed projects, if anything required, they will be going for OPC. For small house work, you can go for a PPC. In this cement price somewhere around 390 to 450. Due to this COVID situation, the cement manufacturer increased the recent price up to 20-30% recently. Earlier it was up to 330. Now it has been increased to 390 to 450. This is the cement cost. And the next our main part is steel. Steel also JSW, Tata, everything is available. Even local market price steel also available, which also you can use, no issue. Please check about the quality and refer with our structural engineers. You can go for local steels also. Now I'm putting the steel rate of each brand wise 55 to 59 kgs. It differs from 50 to 59. Three brands are there major, which is per kg they are charging this much. You can get idea about these things. Unbranded are somewhere around 35 to 47. It's also not worst. For mid-range, mid-version, you can take G plus one. We will be doing for our own building works. You can go for any steels which will meeting our specification strengths requirements of steels. And then next, fine aggregates. Anything available, river sand, robo sand, manufacture sand, some other words, plaster sand, everything are there nowadays. Some area these river sands are being banned by government, like Tamil Nadu, most of the area. Other areas are plenty available, but still you can go for whatever the local sourced material. If any nearby quarries are available, go for M sand. River sand also very near, you go for river sand, no issue. Whoever not having river sand, you go for M sand. That is the price we are putting here. Sand almost 1900 per ton, and M sand somewhere 50% of sand will be. Or some if it is lead from your project location, it will be around 70% cost of sand, and still 30% less will be there. So no issue. For plastering sand also you can able to see here 750 to 850, river sand 1900, M sand is 890 to 1100 per ton. And next is coarse material. We call metal 40 mm, 20 mm, 12 mm, and of course last one is 6 mm. This price also we are putting here. You see 720 to 800 is 40, and 800 to 840 20 mm per ton, and 12 mm 700 to 780, and the final one 6 mm 650 to 750. It's also nowadays plant. It is available nearby quarries. And the next is red bricks. In village area, it is very easily you can able to get the red bricks. And nowadays technology improvement, fly ash bricks, AAC blocks, many blocks are available. We'll compare with this. Will the first red bricks rate somewhere around 5 to 8 rupees, so roughly 6.5 to 7 rupees you will get bricks. And for blocks, different size are there. To avoid joint, you can go for a bigger size. And frame the structure, if you are doing, you close your eyes and buy any of our fly ash material content blocks, that also having strength, and you minimizing joints. Consumption of cement will be less. Plastering also, grip will be there. So everything will be fine for this fly ash content material blocks. So these are available on 3 different sizes. This is not limited, still minimum many sizes are there. You can go and purchase your nearby available uh, block manufacturers. This is size, 3 different size and 3 different variety. Rates are 50 to 70, and then 65 to 90, 89 to 130 blocks is available. Very economy these blocks are. You can go for a fly ash bricks instead of red clay bricks. And next is tiles, ceramic, that means wall tiles, bathroom tile, kitchen tiles. Those are available at the rate of you can able to see 25 to 35 per square feet. And then next is floor tiles, from beginning 45, 40, even 30 also available. Don't go for that much lowest price tiles. It may not be good for our life of the building. So you go for a basic mid-range, at least 50 to 160 per square feet available. Don't, this much is not required, but you can go for a 70, 60 price. 50 also okay. And then next is ready mix concrete. It is available very near big cities only, or at least some cities. Nowadays, these RMC plants are developing, extending their ranges to reach villages also. But I think for quality matter, distance timing is the main important. For RMC, you need to utilize this concrete within 2 hours. If 50 to 70 kilometers beyond the city limit, if they are supplying it, their transportation traveling time itself, it takes 1 to 1.5 hour. After that, how you will use within half an hour? It is very tough. So you go for a local mixer machine with the quality standard nominal mix or design mix by supervised mixed by supervisor or any engineers in presence. You do the mixture machine concrete also, that will also good. Rate will be lesser than this our RMC. If you do with the mixture machine, then quality also good. We will be putting this RMC rate for M20 grade is presently available to 4,000 to 4,500, and M25 4,500 to 4,900, and M30 5,000 to 5,700. If you are having this RMC facility nearby, you go for RMC. It's a completely controlled by mechanism, so product will be excellent strength. They will be proving it. So it's go for RMC. If you're not having RMC, go for mixture machines. And then next is windows are available present due to technology development. These UPVC frames are coming, which is termite free, life warranty, everything they are giving. So you can go for a UPVC, but quite little bit costly, but look wise, aesthetic wise, everything it is excellent. So you can go for a UPVC. The price of 350 to 500 is many still more. This range is available. You can go for IPVC. And then our aesthetic normal glass ranges windows are there. It is somewhere 70 to 70 rupees per square feet. And then our aluminum fancy, those things are 225 per square feet. Next is plywood. Plywood again, thickness wise it differs. And you go for a kitchen works you are doing, means you go for a fire rated plywoods. And any other cupboard works, you can, no fire rating is required. So you can balance rest as okay. 18 mm thick is somewhere around 2,800 to 3,400, and 12 mm is 2,000 to 2,500, and 8 mm is 1,800 to 2,200. This is the plywood price. You can use it for all doors and cupboard doors, all woodworks inside. And the next is plumbing and sanitary item. This will be actually, instead of going into rate, you can subdivide into total project cost. How it will be, 6% will be the plumbing cost and 4% will be the sanitary cost. For our entire project cost, if you are deriving 10 lakhs will be our building cost, then 1 lakh will be around the plumbing and sanitary items price. That's the way we are putting here. total cost. And then next is paint. Many brands are available. Based on our priority, or based on our interest, we can go for still exterior, uh, many texture paint, 2 mm thick, 1 mm thick, synthetic, many varieties are available. So you can check the with the manufacturer and you can buy it, no issue. The prices are somewhere around 200 to 250 per liters are starting, even 150 also available. Basic range is 150, you can go at least 200, so that it will be, they are giving some warranty. If you want to claim a warranty, you apply with the applicator, means that the manufacturer itself recommend some applicator, then the way of they will be doing in their own way, then only they will give a warranty. We cannot claim that I applied a paint and why it is not staying for 5 years, 7 years, means they will be asking question you that you are not applied a standard procedure. So those are all some catchy words only. Better you go for a mid-range, at least mid version, then only it will be good for our all interior exterior paints. Even nowadays waterproofing paints paints also available, so you can go and check with your all our nearby vendors. This is what we want to tell. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Like, if I think, hope this idea will be very useful for your selecting your projects and the cost of each project. Please share and like our videos. We'll be putting some more videos. Thank you guys.